In this video, we will be demonstrating how we can automatically generate a workflow and associated all the forms. Let me go to the build form. I can take any build form or any existing form also. Okay. Let me see if there is any dummy form available. So XX dummy, some form is there. Okay. So even this I can convert into a form, but let me just uh, create a dummy form. So I'm building it. So I'm building the form. The name of the form is XXJRFSRF. Okay, this is the conversion, let us assume. So I'm creating that form, and now in that we are going to have some fields. For now I'll be having some limited fields. Okay, entity code, yes, then I'm having the entity name, I mean the student name, maybe account manager code and account manager name. Okay, so then we have date, which I would like to make it as date. Okay, and maybe the student remarks, which I am keeping it as a sentence. So text box, only this much I am just creating for now. So maybe the student remarks, we will make it as a text area just for reference. And two important fields are required called WF status, which should be Word text box. These two are mandatory fields for any. So WF comments is, it should be a para, and we will take text area. So this is the basic condition for the workflow definition. So our workflow form is XXJRFSRF. So maybe you can make them as read-only, mandatory, all those things here, just for our reference, or they can be H colon or session user ID, things like that, which right now maybe just for testing purpose I am putting. Okay, that is S colon user underscore entity code. So I have just saved it. So you can see the form, the entity code has come, and you can make it as read only. And this is my manager code. We can think of that. So this form has some fields, and it can have any number of fields. It can have attachments, things like that. Let me also give attachments. So I have given the attachments also. So now this XXJRF form is fully ready for me to put it into the workflow. So all that I simply do is go to the setup and go to the form setup and go to the page head and search for that particular form. So I have got the form. Here there are two links are there. Okay, let me just show you. This is so this is one link, easy flow. This is workflow field. First you should say create easy flow. So this gives you some details of what. So this is the page ID, this is the form name. I am saying the group name is JRF to SRF. I'll say JRF to SRF. This is the group, I mean this is the workflow name. Okay, first is student applied, that is the first stage. Sent with, I will say with supervisor, with dean academics, I will say with student. I can put a comma here and write something else also, because these will be coming into the, so this is final. Okay, so these are the 4 stages. Of course you can define fifth, I am just limiting to 4. And this is the form, this is the group name. So the moment I create, so it creates these names. Okay, JRF, SRF, these are the forms it is going to create. Their names will be put like this. So I'm submitting it. So let's hope it has created all the things. Now let us go and search for JRF form. So you will see it has created JRF with student. All this full set is now available. Okay. Now the moment I click this, that is the workflow fields of the same, this is the base form. It does not touch the base form, but creates new set. So I'm just clicking here. So this will take me to the actual field name, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. We don't have stage 5 in this. So now here you are seeing that this is the field name, this is the caption. So in the stage JRF with the student, you can edit that particular field and you say my supervisor. Okay, that means I am editing a caption and I want to make it as read only. So the moment I do that, you will see the caption has changed to my supervisor and read only. And maybe this I want to change it as, if you want to change the caption, and you will notice the group caption is JRF to SRF, which we have created it. So this way, once this set is there, you can hide some of them or push to somewhere else. Suppose this date, okay, is there, you don't want to show it in this stage, so you just edit and put it to XXX. So if you put that, then it will not be visible in that stage. Now where are all our forms have gone? So let us see. Now we are searching for JRF. So JRF with student is the first form. So you will see JRF with supervisor, dean, final. I don't know, the student has not come for some reason. I have to test it. This is academics, all these have come. So if you say add here, you have got all the date, everything. Maybe in some stage we have removed the date. If you remember, it has gone to this admin. I think I might have given it as a small XXX, so it has gone that way. So now it given big XXX, it has gone to, so that means for each of these stages you can, the entire stage is there, and you will notice on the top combo it created all of them already simultaneously. And so here the first student will create, though this is some mistake has happened. So here also it is showing those same stages. That means he can push it. Suppose I just create my own AA and then BB. Okay, and I create it maybe with the supervisor. I have created here. So obviously the record got created as with supervisor. You can see the record here. And this man also can see with the supervisor whatever are there. Of course, we can hide, and by changing this combo, if he does not want to see anything, you can just keep as it is. And in the last form, there is add. We can do it from here, or we can do it from even our JRF, our form setup. We have the form setup. In this, we have the page head JRF. So I'm just taking the second stage. Now here on the top you have the forms editing, red color. So here I'm saying that is no delete, no insert. That means second stage there is no delete, no insert. And the third stage also no delete, no insert. Or you can only make read only, whatever that you wish to make it. So assume that I made in the second stage the entire form read only, it will be difficult. So what I would like to make in the second stage, or maybe the third stage, this I want to make it as a read only, that means accounts master code, and this field I want to make it as read only, and the student code also I want to make it as read only. It is already read only. Let me just see. So this also text area, this is student remarks. I'm making it as read only, and this automatically it has come as thread if you notice. So here all are read only, and except this and this. So now if we go to the form as such, JRF, that is the stage. This is the one we have changed with DNACAD. Okay, now he can see that record, and when he edits you will see all are read only, and he can write some comments. So that means multi forms can be very easily set. You just create a meaningful base form, and from that it will create various stages. Thank you.